Boys and girls, for this activity you are going to be making 10 with different number pairs. Your choices are cards with stars on them. You might want to choose this one if you like to have something to touch and count. These are number cards if you like to just put numbers together, if you already have those memorized and you know your ways to make 10 with numbers. Maybe you want to use the cards with the hands on them. Maybe you like to count the fingers on them or make them on your own hands, so that might be a choice for you. Or maybe you like to use the dice. What you're going to do is you're going to choose which one fits you best, and then you're going to choose one and take it with you. Okay, I'm going to take these with me today, and these are going to be left in the drawer in their baggies, so I don't need those. Leave those for your friends. These are going to come with me to my working place. What you're going to do when you get your cards is you're going to line them all up nice and neatly. You don't want to have a mess all around your room. When you're doing math, you have to be precise. Precise means to be very careful and very organized. Okay, so now you can see I've got all my dice cards lined up nice and neat. Now remember, what I'm going to be trying to do is find all ways to make 10. So let me look at my cards and choose one. All right, I'm going to pick the 6 right here. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to use a counting on strategy. So if I have 6 and I need to get to 10, I'm going to use counting on. So I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do I have up? That's right, 4. So it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need to come over here and find a card that has a 4 on it. There it is. Now I have one match. 6 and 4 make 10. Let's do one more together. So let's practice with this one. Let's see how many dots are on this card. So we have 4 and 5 more, and I know that that makes 9. 4 and 5 make 9. So now I'm going to count on 9, 10. That's right. 1. And we're going to keep going just like that. Let me put these out of the way for a second. If you happen to choose the finger cards, it's exactly the same game. For example, this card has 8, so I would be wanting to find a card that had 2. That would be a way to make 10. So if you chose these cards, you'd be doing the exact same thing. You're making a partners of 10. 8 and 2 makes 10. If you choose the star cards, it's exactly the same thing. You're counting. So this is 5 and 3 more. So that's 8. And what is 8's partner to make 10? 2. 8, 9, 10. And of course, if you're using the number cards, then you would lay these all out very neatly. And you would also be making groups of 10. For example, I know that 9 and 1 make 10. And you're going to continue no matter which group you choose. You are going to continue until you have made all the matches for 10. Have fun.